Hey there, family. I'm about to drop some wisdom on y'all about connecting with your boys. First off, it ain't always about you. Your son's silence might be his own struggle. Make the first move, show genuine interest. You might be the cause without knowing it. So watch those controlling vibes. Communication's a two-way street, bro. Reach out with love and patience. Your son needs unconditional support. Love him for who he is. Timing is everything. Respect his space. When he talks, really listen. Put that phone down and give him your full attention. Open-ended questions over interrogations, y'all. And remember, technology can create barriers. So make time for face-to-face connection. Model the behavior you want to see. Be honest and vulnerable. Don't expect immediate results. Rebuilding trust takes time. Respect his privacy and independence. Give him space to come to you. That's my business, but I'm sharing it with you because I care. Like that, you'll see the difference. Now go love on your boys. Remember, it's all about love, patience, and genuine connection. You've got this, family.